Hi everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to show message box in Windows Forms apps using button click. Before we start, I would like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel to support my work. Now, shall we continue? First, we will need to add button in our form. After we add button in form, we will name it Message Box Show. After that, we have to double-click it to create block of code for it. When that is done, we will start writing actual code. For showing message box on the button click, we need just one line of very simple code. We need code for showing message box. In between quotes, we will write our message that we will show. When that is done, we are going to press Start button to test how our application works. We're going to press button to test how it works and see will it show our message. Everything seems to work. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like it to support my work. See you in next one.